So hey guys, thanks so much for clicking on today's video. It's morning. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie. Hello. And if you're returning, thanks for coming back and hanging out with me. I do appreciate it. So as you can see by the thumbnail, we do have the Ipsy Open Studio. I'm so glad it's here early so I can get it up for you guys in time for choice and, you know, add-ons and everything. That way you can maybe plan it out a little better and whatnot. So if you want to see what it is that I got, now I did film this already once, but realized that my camera wasn't on. Yeah, it's early in the morning. That's all I can say. And I just woke up like an hour ago. Also, I'm somewhere in here going to announce the winner to the Coco palette. So let's do it. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not. Rate the video thumbs up and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. All right, guys. So yes, that intro was a mess. I did film this portion of the video already. However, my camera was not on. I paused it and was talking away to absolutely no one. Anyways, hi, my name is Stephanie if you're new here, and this is a beauty channel. We do all things beauty, from unboxings to try-ons and everything in between. I slip other kinds of videos in there once in a while. I'm not a makeup artist. I mean, I know my way around a brush. Am I the perfect person when it comes to stuff? No. And what is perfect anyway? Please, I don't ever want to be perfect. That would be too much energy, okay? I do try to be a better person, you know, but do I fall short? Yeah, all the time. Anyway, we are trying to get to 1,500. So if you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please. We have a lot of fun here. I'm a crazy chick. I am. I'm a crazy girl, but in the best way possible. I love to have fun, and we have a great family here, okay? Obviously, I've opened it because I've been in, but we do have the Ipsy Open Studios, which I am a part of, guys, and I want to get it up early because choice is not yet here, and you guys will be able to see with these products what you could possibly get, what your choices could be if you do get the Glam bag, and if you get the Glam bag plus and you want to do add-ons, perhaps you could see what's there and kind of plan for it a little bit. And I like that. I like to know what I'm working with when the time comes, you know? I know it seems a little dark in here. It's very rainy. It's been so cold. I'm sorry for stepping away with the advent calendars, but my landlord showed up here on Saturday and was like, hey, we're moving. And I'm like, what? They didn't call me, no warning. I'm like, wow, really? I'm in the middle of doing something, but okay. I don't know about you guys. I don't know these guys. I've never seen them before in my life. And they're like touching my stuff. And I was just, I get very, I don't know, territorial. I don't know what that word is, but very kind of freaked out. My lips are super chapped. Oh my gosh, they hurt so bad. Where the pigment meets the skin, because your girl licks her lips. And it was so cold and so windy. Now I'm only going 3 full properties down, and then the 4th one is mine. Between there, I'm walking back and forth, I literally drove over there. I was like, you know, I'm done walking. I'm done walking with because I was trying to carry the boxes, and then they were like putting the stuff in the house, and I'm like, wait, no, that goes in there. I can't take it and move the furniture. I can't with this arm. I can't. Enough about that. That is where I've been. I apologize. I actually was sitting here editing the next advent calendar to go up for that night, and he knocked on my door. It was like probably 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the morning, and he's like, I'm ready. I'm like, okay, well, thanks for telling me. I've been ready for 3 weeks, and now you come the day I'm busy, right? It's the story of my life. Anyway, oh, what fun. December 2022, that is the theme. It does say, let the celebrations begin. We are throwing a month-long holiday party to bring you all the good cheer and glam beauties. So swipe on a bright lip, slip on your dancing shoes, and get ready to revel in the most wonderful time of the year. Now, we do have the Glam bag and the Glam bag plus. That is what they send me over. And if you're not familiar, this is the smallest of the 3 subscriptions that Ipsy has. This comes to total $15, I think, $89. That is with the $1.99 processing fee and tax in my state. Okay, it is like $13 plus all that stuff. So we do get 5 products, whether they be full size, deluxe size, sample size, mini even. It could be a mix of all. I apologize I didn't put the effort into, like, you know, my face and everything. It's early. Your girl is not a morning filmer, okay? But I want to get this up. So the first thing we have is the Ultra Repair. Now, guys, this did not have a safety seal on it. I did not break it open. This is how it came, okay? Which is very unusual for Ipsy because most times they do. You know, I've never tried this on my face ever. I've had this so many times, full size, deluxe travel size, this size, but I've never put it on my face. So this is from First Aid Beauty. It is the Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. I don't know. Usually when I see things that say collagen on them, like creams and stuff, I break out when I put them on my face. That is why I was a little weary to try this. Anyway, this is a very clean brand. Okay, I do like Hello or First Aid Beauty. I call it Hello Fab, but I do like First Aid Beauty, okay? So that's the first product. Now, I did swatch this. This is the, I could not read it. I gotta go get my glasses. It's the Luna Magic lip liner in Besitos. I don't know what that means. The best in Spanish? I'm gonna look that up. It's very creamy, I will say that. And it's a very nice color, okay? It's not that like plummy in real life. It's more of like a muted mauve, okay? So that is a full size. The third item we have in here is, this is from the Biro, New York. I have heard Biro before, and I believe it was some kind of like serum or oil. All right, so this is Biro, New York. This is Tea Time, okay? It's just a little guy. This is a rose tea eye cream, all right? And it's brighten, depuff, and firm. That's what it says on the back. Now, I want to see the texture of this. Again, it has one of these kind of thingy majiggies. Okay, so I'm going to stick it on my hand right here. So there it is right there. It's almost like a clear, looks like silicone. Oh, it smells like rose. Okay, I don't know about that. Putting that on my eyes, really? Yeah, your girl can use some eye cream. Yeah, that is fragrance. I have very sensitive eyes, so we'll see. If my eyes start tearing, then you'll know. It has like almost a silicone like feel, but it's not. I want to say like a gel. I can't move my arm up. Hold on. It absorbs right in. I will do a try on with these products. Let me know down in the comment section below what it is you want to see out of all these products. Like, what are your main interests, okay? Because I would love to know, and that way I can focus more on those. All right. Now, I'm definitely going to try everything on, but like, depending on what, I may not use something on camera just for time's sake, you know. This is Milk Makeup. This is the Rise mascara. Okay, now I have never tried this, but I've had it many times, and I'll tell you what. I did put in our 1,500 giveaway, if we ever get there, there's 3 boxes that I've been building. Like anytime I have 3 of anything, I plopped it in there, right? So just because, like as an extra, like the meat and potatoes, yeah, there's so much good stuff in those boxes, guys. I can't wait till we get to 1,500 just so I can give them to somebody. You know, I've been building and building those boxes. I don't know if they're going to fit in a large flat rate. That's how much stuff there is. It's crazy. Bubble wrap and all, yeah, I don't know how that's going to work out, but I may have to UPS it to somebody, and depending on where they live, it's going to cost a fortune. But hey, I love you guys, and that's why I'm doing it. Okay, so again, I've not ever tried this, so I'm kind of happy to have this. Now, I will show you the wand. I can't hold my arm up like that. It's like, it doesn't seem like those plastic ones. It looks like a regular wand. Well, I want to say this is not like super inky. I call it inky because see, I just dabbed it on there. Like I had to rub, like really rub. Yeah, it seems like a little bit drier, but that's fine because I don't like really wet mascaras, only because I have hooded eyes and my lashes are very small, so they hit and it transfers all the time. So I always have to sit there for a while. So we will give this a go. So we have the Sophia Maybell on. Now I do have it on, okay, because my lips are super chapped, guys. Like really, like where the pigment meets the skin. Because I lick my lips. It's crazy. And going back and forth between, it was so cold. And yesterday it was super windy. This is like thicker, I want to say, but not sticky. I like lip oils. I really do. But I want to feel them there, you know. Now I'm putting it on the outside of my lips because that's where it's chapped the most. So I'm glad to get this. This came right on time. I was very happy when I opened the bag. I was like, thank you. It's not clear. I don't know. Let me hold it. See how it's kind of like I don't know. It just looks good and it smells good and I like this. I'm very happy to get this, okay? So that is everything except for the bag. Now, the bag, sometimes I actually use these. Like if I'm going out, I'll just throw a couple things in there and have it as a clutch. This one, no. This I may pass along like in a giveaway because it's like a stuffy. It feels like a stuffy, so that would protect anything that I'm sending out in a giveaway, you know what I mean? It's 3 colors. You have the orange, you have a more corally, and then a bubblegum pink. So not especially Christmas themed, but again, all inclusive, and I do like that. All right, guys, so the random comment picker has spoken. This is the winner to the Coco palette. You have 48 hours to get a hold of me. Congratulations. Now, guys, hang out. We got the advent calendar starting up again, and I'm so excited. Wait till you see. Many giveaways coming. We are starting off Christmas season, and just gift giving and just appreciation and all that good stuff. So all of you, thank you for participating, and now back to the video. I like these guys. These actually help me with moving. You have no idea. It doesn't necessarily like match identical, but yeah, kind of. You know what I mean? The colors and all. They're doing this more and more where they're not like, you know, having the identical print. I kind of like that, you know. But yeah, it's cool. It has hooray. Not necessarily like Christmas, but then again, all inclusive, because not everybody celebrates Christmas the same or at all, you know? And that is fine. Okay, so the first item is this. I'm grabbing one of my products and I'm like, no, that's not right. So this is from Tarte. This is the Shadow and Liner Quick Stick. Okay, so there you have it. So it's like a cream, a stick eyeshadow, and the shade is Rose Gold, Luster, and Brown. Okay, so there you have it. Let me move out of the way. Can I get out of the way, please? Yeah, there you have it. This is the fat side, or the fatter side, I should say. Let's see. I'm not going to swatch this, guys, because I'm not much of a shadow stick girl. I mean, I guess it's super easy. Like, you know, if you want something very quick, then you have the liner, which is brown. And I do have a ton of these. And this is a Tarte product, so I'm assuming it's a little pricey because Tarte is pricey, you know. It's one of the higher brands. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway. Oh, I do have my Ipsy versus BoxyCharm for November. I didn't get it up. Do you guys want to see it? Let me know down below, okay? Remember, we're doing that thing where you mention the products. Let me know down below, like, what are you looking forward to in your Ipsy bag? You know what I mean? Like, what are you glad that you'll see? Or what would you pick as your choice, and then add-ons, etc. Let me know all the details. This is from Patchology. Okay, I'm very happy. I want to put this on right now. My face, I've been neglecting my skincare. You have no idea. The last 4 nights, I haven't really done anything. I've been crawling into bed. This is Serve Chilled. It says Serve Chilled right here. Okay. This is the Rose Sheet Mask. What does it do? Strawberry extract, resveratrol. That's very hard to say. Hyaluronic acid. It says rose is pink, and so is this mask. Formulated with antioxidants, resveratrol from grapes, whatever it is, it's made from grapes, and strawberry extract, which is good, to help protect from environmental stressors, which can lead to early signs of aging, and hyaluronic acid for a mega dose of hydration. Might we suggest storing them in the fridge, then pairing them with a beach picnic? Okay. Not in the middle of December. Sorry. Perhaps a glass of actual rosé. Off the charts refreshment. Okay, well, that's a lot. I do know Patchology can be quite pricey. How many do we get? There are 4. I want to do it right now. I do, but there's no time. So there you have that. Again, I don't know the prices of these things, guys. My price sheet is in my camera. So Glam Bag Plus is 5 full-size items. It costs $28 thereabouts with $1.99 and tax. Shipping is free as well. Okay. All of the information will be linked down below. If you have not signed up for Ipsy, feel free to use my link. I do get points, but I use those points for giveaway prizes. So if you do use it, thank you in advance. This is the Cat Berkey. Where did I see this? Oh, I remember. Okay, never mind. Essential Radiance Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream, Cat Berkey. I could have swore that we got this in one of the Macy's boxes too. It's very bougie, I guess, kind of, sort of. What does this stuff do? The cult favorite Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream is specifically developed to meet the needs of lackluster complexion, right here, and to protect the skin from environmental toxins. Okay, as the heart of the formula is 15% Stay C, a stable form of vitamin C powered by the anti-aging powerhouse, reishi mushroom, okay, for greater absorption. The exceptional formula has established superstar following for its instant impact and quick results. All right, so I know this is going to be expensive. I do remember I saw this somewhere, and it was very, very pricey. Now, this looks like a full size. It is glass, I will say that. So I'm very happy about that. So yeah, Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. So this is what it looks like, okay? And again, it does have a frosted glass jar on there. All right, Cat Berkey. It's not like a fragrance smell. It's definitely like just the smell of the actual product. All right, that was hard to get the top back on. It almost like it doesn't fit on there right, it feels like. But I don't know. Maybe it just could be me. All right, so there's that. And the 4th thing we have is MOTD Cosmetics. These are 2 brushes. So there they go. And they're double-ended brushes. I do like brushes. I mean, you already know I'm a brushaholic. It does come in the own little thing here. See, it slipped out of the other one. I'm not a fan of these normally. But I do like the brand. These are the MOTD. I forget what this stands for. Makeup something. Someone told me and I forget now. You have this one, which is the bigger of the 2. This is for blush and highlight. Okay, so you have your blush here and your highlight here. For going away, these are great because then you can cut your brushes in half. You know what I mean? You have both ends. So instead of taking 2 brushes, you take the one, right? So there's that one. Now this one here it has a green and gold handle. This one is red and gold. So I guess like for Christmas colors, all right? This one right here is for complexion and blend. Okay, so maybe for like in here for contour, because it is kind of like shaped like that and it is on an angle. And then this one here is to blend. There's 4 brushes you would normally bring, or at least 3, and now you're only bringing 2. So it is a good idea. Or somebody that's like trying to build up their collection, you know what I mean, that can't really like purchase a lot of brushes at once. This would be a great way, you know, to practice on or whatever. So I'm not mad at it that I got it at all. And then the last thing is this. This is very funny. I had to think back. If I get a palette multiple times, come back to me, something is telling me I need to use it. Now, what am I talking about, you ask? This is the Ciate London, the Velvet palette, 12-piece eyeshadow palette. Okay, so there's the packaging, all right? It's PETA approved. It does say that right there, okay? PETA approved, right? It does have a shelf life of 18 months, and then it says mix and match the metallics and the mattes for intensely dazzling looks, okay? So that is the back. It does have the ingredients on the back and the shelf life and all that, and then here's the palette. I think we've all seen this, but I had to think. I got it in BoxyCharm, not Ipsy. And I think I bought it once in the pop-up shop. So I'm going to use it in a look because why? Because I got it multiple times and that means the universe is telling me to try it out. I don't know. So that is everything in the Ipsy Open Studio, guys. Somewhere in here I would have called a winner to the Coco palette. Pretty palette, guys. Well, I highly recommend going over and checking it out. But anyway, congratulations to you. You have 48 hours to get a hold of me. We have your palette ready and waiting to go. I will pass out information along once I verify that it is in fact you. And yeah, so please comment down below. What do you think of the products this month? Out of these products, which ones do you hope to get in your choices? Which ones do you already have? Which ones are you not interested in? Give me all the details down below. You already know that I love reading your comments. Now, I am a little backed up, guys, but I promise to catch up. We have a lot going on. I am going to finish up editing after I upload this video. On the calendars, you will be seeing that. I can't swear you'll be seeing that tonight. I don't like to put them off in the middle of the night. It kind of messes up my algorithm. It really does. But I really need to get them up because, like I said, I need to make space in my camera because I haven't at least one more coming. And it should be here tomorrow, I think. So, yeah, I need to make some space in my camera so I can film some more. And there's a lot of videos in there. I filmed a lot of videos. A lot. Wow. I apologize for being gone. Please let me know what's going on. What have I missed? What did you get for Black Friday? Did you shop? I know this year is tough. Money is not going like it used to. It just doesn't last as long. I know that personal experience. Let me know how you all are doing. I've missed you very much. It's only been a few days, but I still miss you. And, you know, this is my happy place. And I was working my tail off. So it's good to sit back and enjoy and relax. Next time you see me, I will not look like this, I promise. And yeah. All right, guys, until the next one, please remember, if you're going through something, talk about it. Don't stuff it. Share with somebody. Don't let it rent space in your head. And, you know, stuffing it, it's going to come out eventually and usually worse. All right. Also, if you are feuding with somebody, if you are not getting along with somebody, if you perhaps haven't spoken to somebody and you've reached out a million times, try 1,000,001. Even if you think it's that other person's responsibility to now get back to you. Because you do not want to miss your opportunity. And I've been through it. And it's a horrible feeling. I'm still dealing with it. And I wouldn't want any one of you to have to go through it. Please, to all my loved ones all across the globe, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya. There it is. There's the box all the way. Oops. Thank God for big packaging. So there's